Welcome back to day 17. Without any delay, let's get started. Liam was an avid traveler who loved exploring new places. His dream was to visit every corner of the world and experience different cultures. One summer, he planned a solo trip to a remote town known for its rich history and hidden treasures. As soon as he arrived, he found himself in a bustling market filled with colorful stalls, the aroma of street food, and the chatter of excited tourists. The town was more vibrant than he had imagined. Every street had something interesting to see. As he wandered through the market, his eyes landed on a street vendor selling exquisite handmade crafts. The finely carved wooden figures and delicate pottery caught his attention. Curious, he approached the vendor and asked, "How long does it take to make these?" The vendor, an elderly man with a warm smile, replied, "Each piece is made with meticulous care. It takes several days to complete just one." Liam admired the craftsmanship and decided to buy one as a souvenir to remember his trip. As he waited for his change, he overheard a group of people excitedly talking about a nearby mysterious cave. "It's ancient and full of secrets," one of them said. "But you need to be careful. Many people say strange things happen inside." Liam's intrigue grew. He had always been drawn to adventures, and this sounded like a challenge he couldn't resist. The next morning, he packed some snacks, a flashlight, and a small notebook to document his experience. As he hiked toward the cave, he noticed how different the air felt, cooler and quieter. Birds chirped in the distance, and the rustling of leaves created a mysterious ambience. When he reached the entrance, he hesitated for a moment. The cave looked darker and deeper than he expected. But his adventurous spirit took over, and he stepped inside. The deeper he went, the more fascinating the cave became. Strange symbols were carved into the walls, and tiny drops of water echoed in the silence. He ran his fingers over the carvings, wondering what stories they held. Suddenly, his flashlight flickered, and he heard a faint whisper. His heart pounded. Was it just the wind, or was there something, or someone, inside the cave with him? Taking a deep breath, he kept walking. Soon, he spotted something glimmering in the dim light. As he got closer, he saw an old, dust-covered box half buried in the ground. Carefully, he lifted the lid and found a small, golden compass. It looked ancient, with delicate engravings on its surface. Excited, Liam turned it over, searching for clues. There was an inscription on the back that read, "Adventure awaits those who dare to seek." Liam smiled. He had come looking for a small adventure, but he had found something much bigger, a story he would never forget. As he exited the cave, he felt a newfound appreciation for the thrill of discovery. He realized that every journey, whether big or small, holds something valuable, sometimes even a hidden treasure. Here is the meaning for some words. Avid, having a strong passion for something. Bustling, full of energy and movement. Vibrant, lively, full of color and excitement. Exquisite, beautifully made, extremely fine. Warm, friendly and kind. Meticulous, showing great attention to detail. Souvenir, something kept as a memory of a place or event. Mysterious, full of secrets, unknown. Intrigue, a strong curiosity or interest. Chatter, informal, continuous talking. Craftsmanship, the skill in making something with hands. Rustling, a soft, crackling sound, like leaves moving. Ambience, the mood or atmosphere of a place. Flicker, to shine unsteadily, like a weak light. Glimmering, shining faintly. Today's challenge. Which word from today's lesson do you think best describes an exciting adventure? Comment below. And form the sentence with any of the two words and comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friend. See you in day 18.